Hi guys, so today we will see knee strengthening drills, various drills. So see, when we do drills to knees as well as adjacent muscles which are supporting the knees, we will get knee strengthening. So the first is either you can sit on the floor with knees bent, lift your one foot up, lock the knee, take your toes towards you. So you will repeat this at least 10 to 15 times each side. The same can be done sitting on a chair, which we will see now. Okay. Right, the same we are doing on the chair, where you will lift your leg, take your toes towards you. Whichever is convenient to you, you can opt. End of the day, the point is, in this position, you will lock the knee for 2 to 3 seconds. Now, to intensify the same, to create much strength, keep a ball. Again, the ball depends on your fitness level, your acceptance level. So, initially start with a soft ball. Keep it below your thigh. Let the thigh press the ball, and now you lift the leg. Now what's happening, because the thigh is pressed, not only this is getting strength, it is being supported with other muscles. 10 to 15 reps each side. Right, one more simple way is figure 4. You will keep your one leg above the other. Now see, there is a gap between this. This knee should come parallel to the ankle. So in order that to happen, you press and also push your ankle with the other hand. Now there is a possibility that one leg you might find it more inclined, so that is, it is already flexible, so where the knee is parallel. Right, this is a dynamic frog. So first get into your frog pose, so which is, you will create nice distance between your both knees. The ankles is sideways and rested on the ground. Now once you got into this position where the hip is as much back as possible, once you got into the frog, from here you stretch forward, bend your right knee, take it up. Forward, left, take it up. Take the straddle, extend your legs as much as possible. Now once you have created whatever extent your hips allows, open up, keep your spine straight. Keep your hands down, the foot down completely. Now lock your knees, engaging your ankles. Now when you lock, your heels should come up. For any reason, if you find this difficult, then instead of 2 legs at a time, you can also do one leg. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times and then change the leg. Now, dynamic pigeon. First, be in a table. In the table, what you do? Get into a pigeon. Again, come back to the table as the way originally we have started. The other foot. A nice deep stretch and way of strengthening your knees and the adjacent joints and muscles. Now keep the ball below the calf, sideways, right? And now press. As I said, the ball should be initially soft, and once you get used to, then make it hard so that the muscle get enough tension and resistance. You will keep it for maximum 40 seconds. You will press, relax. The next is glute bridge. You can keep a towel in between your knees or a yoga block or a pillow, anything. And now, when you get into a glute bridge, you will squeeze, you will press both of your knees to the towel or the soft cushion, whatever you kept, or the yoga block. Be there for 2 to 3 seconds, calm down, relax, once again, and repeat. Doing all these or any of these poses for longer duration, right, consistently is what the key is. I believe this video helps you in strengthening your knees. Thank you guys.